Good morning. Today we're adding on to our ideas in social studies that we worked on Friday. So on Friday we were working on making sure we have a strong theme for our map and that our maps are neat and organized and have all of their requirements. As we talked about in part 1. Remember, our maps are going to have physical features and not things like houses or castles or any of those sorts of landmarks. Instead, we're focused on physical features like landforms and waterways. So to add on to this, today you're going to be working on making sure that your maps are nice and neat, that you have made those corrections on spelling, capitalization, that your landforms and waterways aren't too small, and that nothing is really squished in. So here's your opportunity to make sure that you make all those corrections and then create your final draft before we move on to writing our directions and burying our treasure. All right, so you should already have my corrections from Friday, unless you're a Declan, in which case I want you to go back and watch the first lesson on burying our treasure, and I will add the directions right here, but right onto this lesson. But make sure that you are only using landforms or waterways as part of your theme. All right, so make sure that when you color your final map, that you're using colored pencils and not markers, because markers are often very messy. And make sure that whatever spelling, capitalization, and neatness corrections you made on your rough draft, that you also make sure are on your final draft, because that's going to be partly what you're graded on, is the neatness and corrections to those. All right, have a great day.